In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho CRM password. This is really useful if you want to improve your account security or if it's simply been a while since you last updated your login details. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen as we go. First, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Open your browser and go to the Zoho CRM login page. Enter your usual login details and sign in like you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your main CRM dashboard. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your photo or just your initials inside a circle. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, you're looking for the option called My Zoho Account, or sometimes it just appears as My Account. Click on that. This will open a new page or tab where you can see your overall Zoho account settings, not just CRM settings. Give it a moment to load if it takes a second. On this account page, you'll see a menu or sidebar on the left-hand side. Here, find and click on the section labeled Security. This is where Zoho stores all your security-related settings, like passwords and multi-factor authentication. Once you're in the security section, scroll until you see the area labeled Password. Within that section, you should see a button or link that says Change Password. Click on that to start the process. A form will appear asking you to enter your current password first. Type in the password you're using right now. Below that, you'll see fields for your new password, and then a confirmation field where you'll retype the same new password. Make sure your new password is strong, something that's not easy to guess, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. After you've entered your current password, your new password, and confirmed it, double-check that everything is typed correctly. When you're ready, click the button that says Save or Change Password, depending on what you see. Zoho will then update your account with the new password. The next time you log in, make sure you use this new password, and that's all you need to do to change your Zoho CRM password.